How to add a Google form to your Wix website. So here I have a sample Google form that I'm going to add. If we want to add this Google form to our website, we will click on send here, the send button. And here we will click on these two signs. So click on them and then copy this HTML address. So I'm just going to left click to select it, right click and copy. Once we have this copied, then what we're going to do is open up the Wix website editor, and here we will open up the search tool. Now from the search tool we want to type embed HTML, and you will see this option for embeds. We're going to click on here and then click on embed HTML. Here is where we type out our code. So we want to right click and paste it and then click on update. And now, as you can see, this has our form ready to use on our website. So that's how you do it. You just have to enlarge it by pressing or holding on this button at the side, and that's it. That's how you add a Google form to your Wix website. Hope it helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.